I was gonna record you down in the bag. Luca's trying to prepare for battle with these seatbelts. You can't even see. He's hitting the seatbelt. You're not even attacking. It looks like I won because you haven't even hit me and I have protection on. Bam, I hit you. Comment, like, subscribe. I love reading your comments. Luca likes reading them too. I love reading them actually. And Luca hasn't even read a single. Oh my gosh. No, I'm a base. I'm a base. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Wait, time.
The camera's going. The camera's going crazy. What? The camera's going crazy. Wait, you can't see anything because of that. No, it's pointing down, not.
It's been hit.
It's the apocalypse.
Kids don't recognize household dangers for the risks they are. Remember to
It's too inappropriate for you.
keep them up, keep them closed, keep them safe.
This video is supported by LucaCon and Austin Con. We're gonna be doing a video of the story of my life. Okay, so Luca's gonna tell me the story of his life, and then I'm gonna draw it on a chalkboard or something. So see you guys.